So here we have a Maxus eDeliver 3 electric van, and in this video I'm going to show you how you change the battery in your key fob. So if you go to your van in the morning and the buttons on the remote control aren't doing anything, it's either that the battery in the key fob here has gone flat, or it's the 12 volt battery under the bonnet that's gone flat. So if it is the 12 volt, then obviously you do have the old-fashioned key blade and a lock here on the door, and you can open the door manually, release the bonnet, and then check out that 12 volt battery. And that 12 volt battery there wants to have at least about 10 volts in it for the vehicle to start. So if it's anything below that, then you're going to need to connect it up to a charger or another 12 volt battery with some jump leads. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about the key fob. So let's go into the office and I'll show you how you change this battery. So here we have the key fob, and you just need to open up the key blade and then separate the two halves of the case. And you don't need any tools for this. You can just get your fingers along this slot, and you want to pull the back piece up like that, and then it opens up, and there's the battery. And what you need is a CR2032 battery, readily available, and probably you're going to want a little screwdriver or something just to tease that out. And the positive, i.e. the side with the writing, is on the top. So you get your new battery, slide that in, and putting the case on, do it in reverse. So hook the left hand side when you're looking at the back on first. Probably doesn't matter actually, that will all snap down like that, and that's all ready to use. I've got other videos on the channel about that 12 volt battery up front, but for this one, that's it. So if you found it useful, please do click that thumbs up button on YouTube. That really does help other people find the channel. And if you want to know more about these Maxus eDeliver 3 electric vans, I'll put a link in the description below to a playlist where you can look at other videos I've made of these vans. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.